What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about Metrobank Best Credit Cards. Kasi hindi lang siya basta credit card guys, it comes with different perks and benefits sa Metrobank. Kasi alam nyo naman, lahat ng credit card na meron sa Metrobank na ino-offer nila is may kanya-kanyang purpose kumbaga. Meron siyang own features and benefits, perks and benefits rather. So, may mga dapat kayong isaalang-alang kung kayo ay mahilig mag-travel, mahilig kayong kumain, mahilig kayong mag-shopping. Kasi bawat credit card is may kanya-kanyang advantage, kumbaga. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong isi-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, the best Metrobank credit card depends entirely on your spending habits and lifestyle needs. Kasi tulad ng nabanggit ko kanina, is may kanya-kanya tayong kagustuhan sa buhay. Kung ikaw ay mahilig mag-travel, mahilig ka mag-shopping, ganyan. As each card offers unique benefits. There is no single best card for everyone. So, hindi mo pwede sabihin, guys, na ito maganda to. Maganda yan, maganda yan. Kasi may kanya-kanya tayong kagustuhan sa buhay, actually. The ideal choice is the one that best complements how you spend money. So, kailangan mo isang alang kung ito ba ay nagko-complement doon sa kagustuhan mo sa buhay? Kasi ikaw pala travel, tapos kumuha ka ng credit card na pang dining, o di ba? Hindi siya magko-complement doon sa lifestyle ninyo. Kaya naman kailangan mo isa lang alang. Here are some Metrobank's top credit cards categorized by their primary benefits. So, ito yung example, guys, ng best credit card para ma-distinguish nyo kung ito ay para sa inyo or hindi. Ay pala travel ako, so ito yung best credit card for me. Ay pala kain ako, ito yung best Metrobank credit card for me. Ay mahilig ako mag-shopping, so ito yung best credit card for me. Diba? For travel and foreign spend. So from the word itself, foreign. So nasa ibang bansa ka. So you can benefit from this foreign spending if you are going to secure Metrobank Travel Platinum Visa. Earn miles fast with 1 mile for every 17 pesos spent on airlines, hotels, and all overseas transactions. So when we say overseas, outside the Philippines yan. It also provides unlimited airport lounge access. So, ito yung maganda guys, since kayo ay magta-travel, kapag nasa NAIA kayo or nasa ibang airport, marami silang partner airports which you can access their lounge. When we say lounge, pwede kayo mag-relax doon, pwede kayo maligo, pwede kayo magtambay, pwede kayo kumain by using this Metrobank Travel Platinum Visa. But also guys, you should also know na mataas din yung magiging annual fee neto. Metrobank World Mastercard offers 3 times reward points on all foreign currency spend and a low foreign transaction fee of 1.85%. It includes free annual fees for the first 2 supplementary cards. So it offers 3 times rewards points on all foreign currency spends. Ibig sabihin, kapag ginastos mo to, ginamit mo to sa ibang bansa, 3 times yung magiging rewards points nyo. Plus, a low foreign transaction fee. So when we say foreign transaction fee, kung magkano yung magiging bill mo doon, so 1.85% lang yung magiging transaction or foreign transaction fee niya. And then, free annual fee din yung dalawang unang supplementary cards nito. For everyday shopping and dining, kung ikaw naman ay mahilig mag-shopping, kumain, so ito naman yung pinakamagandang or best Metrobank credit card for you. Metrobank Titanium Mastercard. Ideal for daily essentials, this card gives 2 times rewards points on dining, department store, and online spend. It's a popular choice for those starting out with credit cards. So, para sa mga baguhan sa Metrobank credit card, maganda to. Since 2 times rewards points on dining, tapos department store, and online spend. So, makaka-earn kayo ng 2 times points doon by using this Metrobank Titanium Mastercard. So, sa mga baguhan, ito yung best credit card for you. Tapos, kung ikaw ay pala shopping or pala kain. Metrobank Cashback Visa. Focuses on savings. So, ito naman, para sa mga nagtitipid. with up to 5% rebate on groceries, telecom bills, school, and bookstore spend. So, ito naman yung maganda guys, kasi 5% yung maging rebate. So, ano si rebate? Ito yung maging discount, kumbaga, sa groceries, sa telecom bills, school, and bookstore spend. So, maganda siya kung ikaw ay nag-aaral. Kasi, school, di ba? Kapag sinwipe mo to sa mga high-end schools, 5% yung magiging rebates niya. Ito ay ang Metrobank Cashback Visa. Kung ikaw ay estudyante, ito yung magiging best Metrobank credit card for you. Ito naman, for specific needs and no annual fees. Kung ayaw mo naman na pinoproblema yung magiging monthly, magiging yearly membership mo, kasi when we say credit card, it comes with annual fee or membership fee. Every year yon, from the word itself, annual. Kaya naman may Metrobank credit card din, kung ikaw ay nagtitipid sa ganun, ito yung best Metrobank credit card for you. Toyota Mastercard, a specialized card for motorists, offering 3% fuel rebate at Petron and 10% discount on genuine parts, accessories, and labor at all Toyota dealers. So kung ikaw may sasakyan na Toyota, mas maganda to guys kasi genuine parts, ibig sabihin original talaga siya. At 10% yung magiging discount mo doon. Tapos 3% yung magiging fuel rebate naman sa Petron by using Toyota Mastercard. So kung ikaw ay mahilig, kung ikaw may Toyota na sasakyan tapos gusto mo ng discount sa Petron ng 3%, ang best Metrobank credit card for you is Toyota Mastercard. Then ito naman, walang annual fee. Walang annual fee to guys ha. Then ngayon, Metrobank M-Free Mastercard. A straightforward option with no annual fee for life for both principal and supplementary members. So, ito yung pinakamaganda para sa mga tao naghahanap na ayaw talaga magbayad ng annual fee or annual membership fee, yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na idinideduct or nag-reflect sa statement of account ninyo in every year. Kasi annual fee yun. So, itong Metrobank M-Free Mastercard, wala siyang ganon for the rest of your life. So, for life yun. So, stay mo lang, may credit card ka, you need to worry about every year membership payment. So, kung ikaw ay gusto mo ng walang annual fee, yung best Metrobank credit card for you is yung Metrobank M-Free Mastercard. To find the best card for you, consider reviewing the official Metrobank comparison page where you can evaluate the specific features, fees, and income requirements for an available option. So kung gusto mo guys makita lahat, punta kayo sa Metrobank official website. Andun lahat ng credit cards nila, pwede mong i-compare kung magkano yung magiging annual income requirement. Kasi ito ay credit card guys, hahanapan kayo ng annual or proof of income. At yung magiging baksihan doon is annual. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan sa M-Free Mastercard, ganito, nagre-range siya sa million din minsan. Pero kung mayaman ka naman, so it's a good idea na any card, pwede mo makuha, kahit platinum man yan. Kahit magkaroon kayo ng multiple credit cards ni Metrobank, kung afford nyo naman yung magiging annual membership fee. So I think that's all for now. So sana may na-share ko. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!